Okay, number 15 says Mrs. Peters made 50,000 milliliters of fruit punch for a luncheon. How many liters of fruit punch did she make? So, really think about it. What are they asking me to do in this problem? Okay. If you notice, we have two different units. We have milliliters and liters. It asking how many liters of fruit punch did she make? They want me to convert 5,000 milliliters to liters. Okay. So first, the first thing I need to do is I need to find, well, what's my conversion? Okay. So we're going to go into our reference chart. And if I go in here, I can see 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, okay? I'm going to write that down. I'm going to put 1 liter, let's put that wrong. I'm going to put 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, okay? So I did that. My second step is I need to label them. I need to see which one is bigger. Is milliliters bigger or is liters bigger, okay? So if you remember this anchor chart that we have in our math journal, it has a picture here and it tells us an eyedropper is milliliters. A liter is like this big bottle of water. Okay, this like the big bottles of water. If you can compare them, you will notice that a milliliter is small and a liter is big. Okay, if you don't have this anchor chart, you can go back here and remember I told you guys if it has a 1 next to it, it's bigger. So 1 liter has a 1 next to it, it's bigger. Okay. So I'm going to label them and I'm going to put small here, big here, okay? Now, if you're going from small to big, you are going to divide, okay? If we don't know that, let's look here, okay? It says to a horse, to a fly, you multiply. When it's saying that, it's saying, okay, is a horse big or small? A horse is big. Compared to a fly, it's big. So if you're going from big to small, you're going to multiply. If you're going from a fly to a horse, if you're going from small to big, you will divide, okay? But we have from small to big, so we are going to divide. So I'm going to take my 5,000 and I'm going to divide it. Now, I've seen people have this problem where they're like, well, Miss Martinez, how do I know which one to divide, okay? Remember, you don't use the 1, okay? I'm only putting it there so we know our whole conversion, but you don't need the 1. You're going to use your 1,000, okay? Because also I'm converting milliliters to liters. So I'm going to do 5,000 divided by 1,000, okay? Now remember, when we divide numbers, you tell your zeros, I don't need you anymore. I don't want you. So you just take them away. You don't want them, you don't need them. So now you're left with 5 divided by 1, which we should know is 5. Okay, so your answer is 5 liters. That is B.